Today on Mom to Mom, we're going to put those Amazon boxes to some good use and teach your kids how to fold at the same time. So if your kids are anything like mine, teaching them how to fold has been a real challenge. So we're going to show you how to teach them how to do just that with those old Amazon boxes. This is how easy it is. You take a shirt, put it face down like this, then fold, 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 and voila. So this is how you make it. You take your old Amazon box, you're going to take your child's shirt, whatever size they are, lay it flat on the box, then cut a square in whatever size that shirt is. Then you want to fold the shirt back up, lay it in the middle of the box, and this is the important part. This is where you mark each side of the folded shirt. Then you cut both sides just a little bit, halfway up. Then you're going to take each side of the board, fold it so you get a nice good crease, fold the other side so you get another good crease, then you're ready to fold your shirts. Now let's see how well little Carter does. Fold, fold, and fold. Boop. He actually made that look pretty easy. If you're like us and you have tons of these Amazon boxes lying around the house, hopefully you found this hack useful in more ways than one. As always, moms, if you got those great ideas, we'd love to hear about it, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.